Welcome back. There are almost 50 people in the state who have taken magician as their profession. They will participate in Magic Karishma 2012 organized by All India Magic Academy, Goa. The convention will be held on 8th and 9th September 2012.
We got 50 magicians in Goa right now. In 99, we had only 10 magicians. When we are going to go on conducting these magic conventions, they'll be purchasing the items. They will be more tempted to become purchasing the more items and go on.
The 4th All India Magic Convention will be held in Porvorim on 8th and 9th September. This has been organized by Magic Karishma 2012 in Goa. It will be inaugurated by the Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar.
We are glad to inform you that we are going to hold the 4th All India Magic Conference in Goa for the 4th time on 8th and 9th September.
Our video journalist from Panaji, Dinesh Karpe.
Newly laid speed breakers on NH17 at Saudi Concon are damaged. Commuters are facing hardship in their day-to-day life. Commuters have complained that the damaged speed breaker has become a reason of worry. Babish Borkar reports.
तर वजन आसा NH17 नॅशनल हायवे आमी आतां आसात चावडेर गेले एक म्हयन्या पयलीं चावडेर 2 आनी 4 रस्त्यार एक अशे 3 स्पीड ब्रेकर घातिल्ले तर आतां ह्या स्पीड ब्रेकराची परिस्थिती पळयल्यार सामकीच काबार जाल्ले आसा हे स्पीड ब्रेकर त्याच बरोबर हे स्पीड ब्रेकांतल्यान कांय स्क्रू अशे वयर येयल्ले आसात त्या कारणान ते दुचाकीक तशेंच 4 चाकी गाडयांक लागता आनी तांचे पंक्चर जावपाचें प्रमाण वाडलेलें आसा नागरिकां कडेन मागणी आसा की संबंदीत खात्यान हेजेर बेगोबेग लक्ष दिवन हें सारकी करचें म्हणून नाल्यार जर तर समजा एक भरगाव वेगान गाडी येयली आनी मोठो स्क्रू लागून जर तर टायर फुटलो जाल्यार अनर्थ जावपाक शकता म्हणून संबंदीत खात्यान बेगोबेग हेजेर लक्ष दिवन हे जाग्यार उडोवची अशी मागणी आसा प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर हांव काणकोणच्यान बबेश बोरकर.
And now news from sports. Leskov University of Physical Education, Sport and Health from Russia has said that the St. Petersburg-based National University will boost Goan and Indian sports scene. With their scientific know-how and technological knowledge of the highest level, Leskov can lift our sports by a few notches.
St. Petersburg to start negotiations for the development of sports in Goa.
Также бы хотели выразить, наверное, особую благодарность основателю и президенту компании «21 век» господину Мелешнил, уже работает с российскими учеными и архитекторами с целью принести в Индию новые технологии, работу именно с университетом в области, а также в области водоснабжения, архитектуры, строительства.
Mr. Neil is working with Russian scientists and architects to bring new technologies and discoveries to India in the field of water development, construction, and now in the field of sports development in India.
И все эти открытия, все эти новые технологии господин Мелешнил хочет использовать во благо народа Индии.
With the help of the University of Leskov, we are sure that he will be able to bring benefits both to India and to Russia. Here's the beginning testing of students. And here's the rector of the university, Professor Vladimir Ivanov. And other martial arts. The Leskov National and State University of Physical Education is one of the oldest universities in the world. Specializing in innovative methods of we also have an institute of the adaptation of
Clubs around the world, from Europe and other places, that are interested in having talks, in tying up with grassroots football development in Goa. But we thought it right and fitting that we should first try out our experience with the Lesgov State University.
Our video journalist Omkar Falari.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGaur. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.